my crafty friends, how are you today? I'm going to do a little show and tell of the project that I've been working on. And first I'm just going to read Isaiah 40:29. He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might he increases strength. Okay, this is a design team project for Minxy Studio UK, and this is her Flaky Wood kit. I've already completed 3. As I said in my previous video, I'm going to be going away for a few months to my brother's in a camper in the country. So I have limited space. So I created a 3 folio type of journal, I guess. Not really a journal. It's to hold some things to bring with me. So the first one that I worked on, and I already gave a preview of this one, but I'm just going to do a recap, and that is this folio that has a pocket in the front, and here I have Minxy's labels, and there'll be other labels that are going to be going in this. And these pockets, this is followed by the Roxy Creation, her challenge that she has going on for the 10th one, I believe this one is. So what I done is I made them smaller so that you can flip them. Sorry, the lighting is not very good today. Well, we had a snowstorm earlier, so it rained, it melted all the snow, and now it's all back. What's the point? But anyways. Anyway. Okay, so I made my closures like this, the same as hers, but I wrapped my string around differently because I didn't like that the flap stays open quite a bit. So I made the hinges on these so that you can flip one at a time or both. And I have 16 pockets, and they're double pockets, so that I can do some of my fussy cutting, and I'll label them as I have here on the last page. I'll label what is in the envelopes here. So, and then I have this envelope here that I done, and I stuck in paper, and I made the little mini pads, and then I also made some waterfall pads. So I have to choose wisely what I'm bringing, and then like I'll buy paper and stuff down there, although I won't have my printer. So this here, I just stuck it in here. With these pockets, I did leave the center open so that I could make up a bunch of tags, but the smaller ones are journal cards that I can embellish while I'm down there. So I just stuck that in there just as a showcase kind of, and I put envelopes and just to kind of give an idea. And then that folds over, and then this little one here, I have to fix the flap on it. I need to put more paper. I did it as a pull-out as well. And here I'll put my smaller things in here from Artemis. This here stuff. The little things like that. So I'll fill the pockets up with that in the front, and maybe smaller butterflies or whatever, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of printing before, and I have folios, so I have to limit what like I said, what I'm printing. And here, this is from her Minxy's lace kit, and it's cheesecloth. So I just embellished it a little bit, and then I stuck labels so that I'll write on there what I have in here. So that's my first one, and then I just bind it up like that and tuck it down. My second one is, they're all basically kind of the same. So this one here, I put herringbone ribbon so that I could attach safety pins, and I'll put a darning needle, and here I put bulb pins, and then I have a pocket here which I'll stuff it with something because I have lots of stuff. And then I'll put paper clips, and I'll attach them along the side here if I have to. And then again, you can fill up the center. And I made these ones, I put Velcro. And I made these ones bigger so that I could put swatches of material or lace and ribbon and whatnot. And, nope, not that one. I put a couple of these in here so that I could either fussy cut around there, or I could use these loops for, well, for a variety of things actually. But so I have that there, and then here I have some lace for here, and then I'll put smaller stuff in there. So I'll put my label on here as to what's in there. I didn't decorate it too much because this one, it's really pretty paper. I'm going to like just label, and then once I get home, then I can use this for something else. But I'll kind of embellish it a little bit. So here I have the wider ribbon and whatnot. Again with the middle. And this is the lace that's from Liana Scrap. And here I put some eyelash trim. I have some white and a couple other colors. So that'll go in there. And then I can label that. And then I have my painter's paper that I'll bring a few pieces from that, and I'll fold it up nicely and tuck it away inside. And then this here was the triple envelope there, that was that I seen done on Turquois Treasure. Karen is her name. But I'll link all these sites in the description box, and as I showed you yesterday, I'm going to put some of the fancier lace in here, and I've done 2 of them. So, and that just folds up like that and ties up. And this is the same. So I don't have anything in there yet, but I just finished that off. So I'm not ready to fill it up, but once, like when I start going through some of my stuff, I gotta poke away at it slowly, and then I can start filling my pockets and whatnot, and then that way I know, okay, I have that. I don't have to worry about it. So, and that just wraps around like that. And then this one here, it's a little bit smaller as compared to the others. And this one here I made, like, I put this here because I want to put in some of the bulkier, like my toe there, the knife there for my X-Acto knife, the blades. So I'll put that there, and there's a few other things that are small that I can stick into here just to get me going until, because like I said, I'm going to be in the bush. I have to kind of utilize. And then this here, I'm going to put like my scissors and my bone folder, my scoring tool, stylus or mandala for scoring anyways. So that'll go like this. My knife, I have a cover that goes on that, so that'll go in there as well. And my bigger scissors I'll have in my suitcase, because I'd lose my head if it wasn't attached. So here I made the envelopes out of vellum, and that's because I want to keep all of my vellum pieces in here that I have printed off, and I'm ready to fussy cut, and I don't have to worry about bringing vellum with me. There's my Tracy Fox labels that are in vellum. Plus I have some that are just solid. I have a pocket here and an accordion pocket here. And then I put another pocket here with my samples. And then this one here I made with a lid. And again I have, whoops, and I have some stuff in the pocket here as well. And that's my corrugated board. And then these ones are some of my samplers that I've done. And then I have some empty vellum so that when I'm down there, when I do some fussy cutting or whatever, I can make, sorry about the shadowing, I can make some more samples. So there you have it. So I'm going to take these out because I still need them. But that's just a fold up here, this folds here, and that folds like that, and then just wrap it around like that. I didn't embellish too much, but just a little bit. Like, can't have it too plain, right? I want to have a little bit fancy because, like I said, I'm going to be in a camper, so everything has to be compact, and I'll be in that camper for like 3 months, so it's going to be fun out in the country. Me and my dog, well, and my brother and his wife, but they have their house, and I'll be kind of set off on the side there a little bit. So anyways, that is my project for now. So that's what I wanted to show you, all three, and be blessed. I don't know what else to say. God bless, and you have